Would you like to have a home in Jannah? It's mentioned in Sahih Muslim, volume number 2, hadith number 1190. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad said, whoever builds a masjid for the sake of Allah, Allah will build for him something similar in Jannah. IslamNet is a Norwegian dawah organization that requires your help and support to establish a masjid and a dawah center in Norway to spread the message of Islam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, in Surah Nisa, chapter number 4, verse number 85, whoever recommends and helps a good cause becomes a partner therein. Donate now to IslamNet and become a part of the Islamic mission. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala promises ongoing rewards for every good act that your contribution will make possible, for every salah that is performed in the masjid, for every act of worship, for every person whose heart is drawn towards Allah. Your small act of charity will yield immeasurable rewards for you in the life to come.